Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, I will show you how to set up mobile proxies. First, go to your Lightning Proxies dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Generator, then select Mobile. Under your plan, click on Generate. This will open the Generator page. Here you can configure your settings. Start with the targeting options. You can choose a specific country or select a worldwide mix. You can also select a specific ISP or carrier, or keep it set to all ISPs. Next, choose the proxy type. Rotating proxies will change the IP on every request. Sticky proxies will keep the same IP for a set duration. Now select the protocol. You can choose HTTP or SOCKS5, depending on your needs. Then set the quantity of proxies you want to generate. When you are done, click Save Settings. You can also change the proxy format to match your preferred setup. Now, let's move to IP port authentication. Simply add your IP address to allow access to the proxies. And that's it. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Lightning Proxies.